Before you buy CloakVPN, here are 12 important things you need to know to make sure it's the right VPN for you. We'll compare it to some of its top competitors, so stick around until the end to find out if this is the VPN you should go with. First off, CloakVPN offers a simple and user-friendly interface, which makes it easy for beginners to get started. Many VPNs have complicated setups, but CloakVPN focuses on minimalism. If you're looking for something that just works without too much hassle, this could be a great option. Next, let's talk about security. CloakVPN uses AES 256-bit encryption, which is the same standard used by military and government agencies. It's reliable and secure, similar to what you'd find with big players like ExpressVPN or NordVPN, so you can rest easy knowing your data is protected. The third thing you should know is its server network. CloakVPN has a smaller server network compared to some competitors. While larger VPNs like NordVPN offer thousands of servers worldwide, CloakVPN focuses on a more selective network, which could limit your connection speed in certain regions. Moving on to speed, CloakVPN is known for decent speeds in many locations, but because of its smaller server network, performance can vary. If you're used to the lightning-fast speeds of top-tier VPNs, you might notice a slight dip in speed, especially if you're connecting to a far-off server. The fifth thing you need to be aware of is its ability to unblock streaming services. While it works well with some platforms, like Netflix and Hulu, it doesn't consistently perform on all streaming services. Larger VPNs tend to offer more reliable access to global streaming libraries, so if you're a heavy streamer, this could be a deal breaker. The sixth thing is pricing. CloakVPN has a competitive pricing structure, often more affordable than the big names like ExpressVPN or CyberGhost. But this does come with some trade-offs, such as fewer features and a smaller server selection. The seventh thing is device compatibility. CloakVPN works on most devices, Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android, so it covers all the basics. But if you're looking for a VPN that works on a wider range of devices like smart TVs or routers, this might not be the best fit for you. Next thing, customer support. CloakVPN has decent customer service, but it's not as fast or accessible as some of the bigger VPN services. If you run into an issue, you might find yourself waiting a bit longer for a solution compared to the more premium VPNs. Now, the ninth thing is its no logs policy. CloakVPN doesn't keep logs of your activity, which is a major win for privacy-conscious users. However, some users have pointed out that their privacy policy could be clearer, so it's worth reading through carefully if privacy is a major concern for you. The 10th thing is its split tunneling feature. CloakVPN offers a form of split tunneling, which allows you to choose which apps or websites go through the VPN. This can help with speed and access, but again, it's not as advanced as what you'd get with a top-tier VPN provider. The 11th thing is compatibility with torrents. If you're into torrenting, CloakVPN is a solid choice. It supports P2P traffic on most servers, but remember, its smaller server network means you might not have the same options as you would with bigger providers that specialize in P2P. Finally, let's talk about its refund policy. CloakVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is standard in the industry, so you can try it risk-free for a month to see if it meets your needs. CloakVPN is definitely a good choice for some users, particularly if you're looking for something simple and affordable. But if you want a more robust VPN with a larger server network, faster speeds, and better streaming capabilities, check out our recommended solution. You can even try it for free, so you can see if it suits you better before making a commitment.